Hi all, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are diving into something truly valuable for farmers. Napier grass farming, a reliable, fast-growing and a sustainable solution for livestock feed. Whether you're an experienced farmer or just curious about agriculture, there's something here for you. So, let's get into it step by step. Let's start with the basics. Napier grass, also known as elephant grass, is a high-yielding, fast-growing fodder crop originally from Africa. Farmers love it because it's easy to grow, rich in nutrients, and perfect for feeding cows, goats, and more. Have you spotted napier grass in growing around your area? If yes, tell us how tall it grows. We'd love to know. Did you know there are different types of napier grass? Two popular ones are banana grass, great for high yield, and Kakamega one, known for its disease resistance. The right choice depends on your soil type and climate. If you know which variety grows best in your area, share it in the comments. It might help fellow farmers watching. Now let's talk about the soil, the foundation of a great harvest. Here's what a Napier grass loves: well-drained soil, plenty of organic manure or compost, land tilled to about 30 cm deep. Getting the soil ready the right way helps your crop kick off strong. Think of it as the setting the stage for months of healthy growth. It's time to get your hands dirty. Plant Napier using cuttings or splits from healthy plants. Space your rows about 90 cm apart and place cuttings 60 cm apart within the row. Make sure each cutting has at least 2 nodes buried in the soil. That's the magic number for root growth. Quick tip: if you're planting on a slope, align your rows across the slope to reduce soil erosion. Napier thrives in moist soil. During dry seasons, regular watering is a must. But be careful, too much water can lead root rot. In the rainy season, natural rainfall usually does the trick. What's your preferred method of irrigation? Sprinkler or a drip? Share it with us in the comments below. To help your Napier grass grow tall and strong, apply a balanced fertilizer after planting. And keep those weeds away, especially in the first 2 months. Weeds can steal nutrients and slow down growth, something you definitely don't want. Your Napier grass is ready for harvest when it's 1 to 1.5 meters tall, usually after 2 to 3 months. From there, harvest every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain a steady fodder supply. Cut close to the ground but leave some stubble so the plant can regrow. Pro tip: harvesting on time improves the nutritional value for your livestock, especially dairy animals. Here's why farmers are switching to Napier grass. High in protein, which is great for animal health, boosts milk production. It's a low cost, eco-friendly, and gives you consistent fodder year round. If you're serious about livestock, Napier is one of the smartest crops you can grow. And that's your guide to Napier grass farming from soil to harvest. We hope you're feeling confident and ready to give it a try. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and subscribe to Discover Agriculture. Got a question or a success story with Napier grass? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching and happy farming.